Air conditioning repairs can be expensive, and replacing your home's air conditioning system can be even more expensive. Hello everyone, Josh Head here for Garrison Garrison Heating and Air. We offer free second opinions on repairs and also free in-home estimates on new systems. Gotten a repair quote or been told you need a new system? Give us a call for a free second opinion. Why pay more than you have to? If your air conditioning system is destroying your peace of mind, call Garrison Garrison, your independently owned American Standard heating and air conditioning dealer.